So today I am making a garlic broccoli stir fry with chickpeas. Okay, so we have our onions, our garlic, and then we have our ginger paste. Okay, the recipe it called for fresh ginger, but honey, we use what we have here. Okay, and right now I am going to put a teaspoon. Couldn't find the teaspoon, got the tablespoon. A teaspoon of onion powder. Okay. Okay, so we are going to use a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. I know it's a tablespoon, but we did a teaspoon of paprika. Okay, so we are going to add our broccoli in here with our seasonings. Okay, family, so we got 1/3 cup of vegetable broth. And then we are going to start adding our chickpeas. Okay, so now that our chickpeas are added, we just gonna stir this a little bit, and then we're gonna start working on the sauce. Okay, so we got 1/2 cup of water. This is the sauce now. Then 3 tablespoons. I am using coconut aminos. Okay, you could use soy sauce instead, but I'm gonna use this. Okay. Okay, so the recipe calls for balsamic vinegar or rice vinegar. I don't have no more rice vinegar, and this is what I have on hand. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of this. Oop, shoot. Okay, so the recipe also calls for 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Okay, and this is the maple syrup I had brought. I had got this from off of Amazon. Honey, I got it because it looked fancy, okay? All right, so we added 1 tablespoon already, and we're going to do another one. Honey, I'm not measuring. I'm just, because I can't do everything, okay? I'm holding a phone, pouring, and everything else, okay? All right, so I just wanted to taste the sauce on camera, okay? That sauce be saucing. Okay, family, so the recipe, this is the last ingredient. It called for 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We don't have cornstarch, okay? So we're going to use some chickpea flour, and it should turn out good too, okay? So I'm going to add this in here like that. Give it a stir. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so we are going to pour our sauce in here. Okay, turn the fire down low, and I'll be back with the results. Okay, this savory dish right here, chickpeas with broccoli, is a stir fry. Garlic, so good. Let me get into it.